Yeah, yeah, motherfucker. I need a bad bunny, watch her burn bags of money. She making haters mad, so motherfucking funny. I need a bad bunny, watch her burn bags of money. She making haters mad, so motherfucking funny. She's so attached to me, like being sexual addicted. We having so much sex because she say skinny nigga, nigga so big. My tongue vibrates more clear. She having orgasm, got her making noise like Porky the Pig. We be friends kissing in jacuzzi. We like best friends, yeah, especially where my dick deep in the wet pussy. Every time she see me looking fresh while I'm recording, a big booty starts twerking. You damn right, I like the way she work it. If she catch a nigga looking, then we both turn it crook and start popping, burning, then your skin get cooked. We invade churches and begin killing again because they want to pretend like they don't sin. We burn every page in the Bible. Lil Pistol and my queen be the God with new power, making y'all bow down every hour. We banging like real killers, we real gangsters, we champions. Ain't no love in the game. So when I beat your bloody, yeah, I won't have no gloves in my hand. Motherfucker, you gonna learn to love me. Motherfucker, yeah, nigga. I need a bad bunny, watch her burn bags of money. She making haters mad, it's so motherfucking funny. I need a bad bunny, watch her burn bags of money. She making haters mad, it's so motherfucking funny. Blistering like a motherfucking sprinkle, man. Come on, dog, it's like springing like it's summertime, man. Majority little niggas don't see us banging, walking the block together. Come on, son, little close, nigga. Got them little niggas stop dropping. Niggas ghost, I'm here, young, like hip hopping. Come on, dog, yeah, get the gun, get the clip, young. Try to rob me, motherfucker, hope that it stop the robbery spree. Now bothering me, dog, with dead bodies that I'm hanging from the motherfucking tree. These niggas, they come around Sunday, ain't no motherfucking G's around the East Coast, nigga. Why the pistol in the flesh, right here in your presence, boy, yeah, nigga, are you impressed? Little nigga, stay focused, nigga. Look at my bird in that heavy dress. Come on, dog, it's going red. Come on, dog, what you saying? Got the best right there. Come on, boy, when we aim at your head. Come on, dog, when we hit you too, motherfucker. She's my right hand. Come on, don't give a fuck. I know you don't understand. Little niggas out here do this. Look at my queen, the way she do this, the way she do it. She shoot kids, shoot your heads, and any motherfucker in the way gonna shoot them right to the sun. Yeah, got the whole game getting scared. Motherfuckers right here, son. They call me weird, call me cripple, man. All that, son, like I'm a little nerdy nigga in the dirty underwear. Motherfuckers right here, son. Come on, dog, I don't care. I'm a hillside champion, hillside number 5, nigga. Ain't a thing. Little niggas out here, who this is a motherfucker, son. Let's bang with shot of guns, nigga. All in our hands. Little here, right here, dog. I'm a king for real, motherfucker. With more power than you ever had. These go out here, come around, son. Dog, but dead, motherfucker, got stabbed. Come on, son. Cause you see me in that back of that, nigga. Fuck that little nigga. Right here, little niggas standing. Don't give a fuck what you saying. Little niggas out there, they talking a lot. Driving their cars, they looking no hard. Pussy ass niggas ain't doing something. Cause here they ain't looking at God. Motherfucker that's from the darkness. Motherfucker that's killing shit. Chopping heads and all that. Even popping your old kids. Right in their motherfucking wigs. All through their middle of their heads. I don't care about nothing. You heard what I said, bitch, nigga. What you want? Come on, son, me and my queen. We blowing this motherfucker up. Little nigga, come on, son. Come on, girl, let's get him. I need a bad bunny, watch it burn bags of money. Virginia haters, man, it's so motherfucking funny. I need a bad bunny, watch it burn bags of money. She make your haters mad, it's so motherfucking funny. Switch the game loose, little niggas come around like bitch niggas. Come on, look at those dudes. Come on, dog. Yeah, and I tell the girl to handle that. She already know the business. Gotta put birds in her hands. They already know what they need them strapped. Come on, son, take them on their brain, son. Put them on their back. Come on, son, let's get them, dog. I'ma show how we get them done. Fuck the facts. Bitch, I say y'all spit. Bitch, niggas right here, something hard to deal with. That's why I'm still alive. I'm still ain't hit. Come on, dog. Y'all little niggas acting like you really touching the boy. But I told you I'm untouchable, boy. I'm ready to kill you motherfuckers, boy. Cause y'all know it is fuck, y'all know it is a bitch. Come on, son, what the fuck you mean, son? Burning brain, son, yeah, nigga. Yeah, me and my girl, son, I done handle the mission. Killing them niggas, yeah, y'all. Yo, we in our resident at the mob like mansion. To lay up, yeah, yo, when I fantasize, slap my dick through her thighs. Yeah, I gotta feel it hypnotized. Yeah, I see the look in her eyes. Yeah, oh, you already know, yeah, y'all on the real side. And we cuddle in the king size. Motherfucking big son, you already know, watching the sunrise. And then the gun right here, son, about to show what it be like. Burn y'all niggas like the skies, niggas all red, motherfucker. When you see me, I'ma flip it. And it's too dimensional, son, you gon' get it. Little pistol is still here in the game, son, yeah. The pistol boy in prison. Y'all ain't know another picture and everything, son, yeah. Y'all like the imagination. Come on, fucker in the hood, still get it, son. Ain't no demonstration that I'm spitting. The shit real, nigga. Come on, don't hit the hills, son. You already hillside, nigga. When you hear these drums, you hit up guns. Then I'm locking little no bitch niggas in trunks. You get done with it, it's all done, kid. You already know y'all ain't pressing to it is. See your motherfucking bag is split it. Open, wide open, with your motherfucking intestines. Your motherfucking organs. I see your food that you digested. Little niggas shit moved up, son. Now you got going with it. Come on, son, yeah, like Eddie Gordon. Come on, son, I'ma hit him, boy, like wrestling move. Give me that shit so special. Motherfuckers, I be with my queen right there, son. About to text you all. The bitch niggas right here, down, random missiles. Coming up from the blowing up. The bitch ass niggas that get stuck. Come on, dog, so a pistol, young. The killer clown, young. This motherfucker, yeah, done. This shit is almost done. And I'm still on the top, nigga. Yo, motherfucker, little skinny Don. You already know the skinny nigga, young skinny nigga doing something wrong. But y'all niggas can't correct it. Motherfucker mistakes I make it. Motherfuckers don't give a damn about nothing, son. Come take the kid. Take your ass, little nigga. Come around, bust your wig open. Don't give a fuck, nigga. Stay focused, son. Yeah, nigga, you open. I get locked up, young. Get the police, get the hold of me. Come on, son. Get the block up, son. I'm no window, son. I'm here, young. Whatever. My life in this motherfucker, nigga, for real. I need a bad bunny, watch her burn bags of money. She making hits, man, it's so motherfucking funny. I need a bad bunny, watch her burn bags of money. She making hits, man, it's so motherfucking funny. Yeah, we hopping out the brand new Lamborghini. Look at my girl in that little motherfucking red bikini. You can see everything, and I did these niggas to look. Did them niggas that get on the game and get shot up, little nigga, get their brains clipped. Look at my girl, watching this twerk. Come on, son, yeah, I'm like, go ahead, go tease a motherfucker. Go ahead, watch these little niggas, then you gon' please them on them covers. And I got surprise for the little niggas when I get them all touch them up. Come on, son, bust your brains, I'ma need like some rubbers, like some condoms. Come on, dog, scan, watch you get calm down, son. But you already know you ain't ready to put the deal up on my level. Come on, dog, go pitch you in the hood, people call me the devil. Little nigga, come on, side dig you all. You cross the line on the motherfucking balls, cause I'm right here, mob life in this game, son. Y'all niggas just talk, rap behind my back, sneak this. Motherfucker, I ain't gotta sneak shit. Come on, dog, do what you do, son. I make you piss on yourself. That's how I escape you is. Looking so nervous, son. You little scared little kids. Come on, son, doing it on purpose. Little nigga like a bitch, nigga. Come on, dog, with your purses. Come on, son, your pocketbook. I'm about to pop you in your head, son. Put your motherfucking brain in my pocket, son. Yeah, put it in my motherfucking book. Come on, son, with the lyrics. Come on, son, cause I live this life, forget this. These little niggas come over in the hood. I told y'all bitches, I've been in this game, practicing like I'm really acting. Come on, round, son, every the day, done. I'm recording, son, yeah, then I'm coming back with it. Motherfucker, love for no son, can't take it away. This shit is real here, down my life, we stay. Come on, dog, built the last kiss in the game, done. You already know, look at me, I can't stay focused on this motherfucking camera view. Come on, son, look at these dumb niggas, they can and do what I gotta do with freestyle you in the rappers in this game, son. In the avenue, nigga with the attitude, the nigga that will pull their trigger and leave your ass all in the blue. Come on, dog, leave you filling up like an congested. Come on, son, when you contact, nigga, come guess it. Little nigga, come around, come arrest the kid. Come on, son, arrest the cat. It look like a wristed cat. They need to take a risk, boy, then pull out their little toy strap. Come on, son, pop me, motherfucker, untouchable kid, son, relax. Motherfucker, hold up, done, get him on jack. Told him not, motherfucker, queen and the king right here, son. You ever see done some mob life, bring you pain, motherfucker, come around, son, you drop the knife. Motherfucker, I'm right here for real, son, been waiting. With all these little niggas, son, they keep bringing me that hate again. They go ahead, young, got some motherfucking bait. Then for the motherfuckers to snatch on, and I'ma snatch your ass up, chop you up, bitch ass nigga to death, about to get you rough, rat niggas, come on, son, yeah, young, your acting enough, come on, son, you acting up, you about to get that's a plan. I tell my queen, you already know we nigga whips, man. Come on, dog, and show me how we do with the good son. Gotta get him there. Yeah, I need a bad bunny, watch it burn bags of money. She making haters mad, so motherfucking funny. I need a bad bunny, watch it burn bags of money. She making haters mad, so motherfucking funny. I can't stop it. Come on, dog, in the hood, just stay on the shoot. How we do with the block is the burning the hat. Come on, son, big burners, do I gotta do that? Come on, son, two be shooting guns, nigga. When you see them two bring that from both our guns. Little niggas come around like both, yeah, like turning like guns. Motherfucker right here, son, for that spirit shit. Come on, dog, you already know religious. If we demonic, son, we call it sinners. Call it Santanas. It's so vicious, son. Look at these singers. Little niggas, they seem like they want to come in and bring it to us. So we wanna handle it. Face they bitch ass. Little niggas come around, suck my penis. I told you what the fuck, yeah, my girl on the side, she's a genius. Come on, son, look at me, special way, retarded kid, retarded in my head. But dog, I can really retarded on the streets when I bust your fucking brains. Little nigga so up, they on the bed. Son, what you saying, nigga? Feeling that rain, that blood stain, the blood start to drain. Come on, dog, like you coming out the sick faucet. Come around, are you talking that shit? Are you talking that false? You already know talking that shit, something like wrestling up dogs. Yeah, it's my fault. Bitch, how doing this? Gotta put some charges. Come on, son, get y'all this, get y'all that. Come on, dog, y'all ain't give me nothing back, but it's all good. I just try to let it slide. Man, fuck that, son, about to get mine, son. Give me that fucking pride that God gave me, motherfucker. Now I'ma confiscate it. I told you about that, how I do, son. Then come and take it. Bitch ass nigga, hold up. How you gonna try to escape from the kid? Little niggas too late for that. Little niggas soaked up. You two little dumb niggas gonna get that death. Come on, son, little nigga, take your last breath. 2 shots to your chest and 2 in your brains. Motherfucker soaked up. You see how I do with 2 of us, how we gonna explain. So we go fuck around to the bus and your girl, little nigga, hold up. And you and your friends want to see the same. Little niggas nothing. Look at me, boy, this shit real. Mob life, son, Pistolville. You already know this where I live. This how I live in my spirit. I don't give a fuck, son. You ain't got spirit, kid. I'm right here, nigga. I ain't here for your motherfucking forgiveness. Motherfucker, I ain't making no deal. Come on, son, what you saying, dog? Are you gonna make it my murder feel? When I get you caught up, slipping on the block, little nigga soaked up. Get you towed up. Bitch ass nigga, hold up. Yeah, it's the dog niggas trying to get your head bustin' like motherfucking some heads of ducks. Come on, son, little niggas come to the streets and stand, little nigga, yeah, turn to dust. Little nigga soaked up, nigga. I'm the one that you don't want to trust. I'm the one you want to talk about, motherfucker. Yeah, y'all get my heart crushed. Motherfuckers were left, that's too late. Cause God took my good days away, son. So fuck this time of year, y'all. Thing you hate, little niggas, yeah, y'all revenge. It's calling, cause you already know that devil behind that, son. We ain't never been friends, boy. I don't care who you call it. I don't care why you talking. I don't care about the dumb shit you talking about, bitch. You already know talking about you love the kid. You already ain't no love this game, son. Yeah, y'all, I used to love it when a bitch used to be on this dick. Come on, dog, but you already know, son. It's over with. Come on, y'all, come girl, yeah, y'all, get over here real quick. I need a bad bunny, watch her burn bags of money. She making haters mad, it's so motherfucking funny. I need a bad bunny, watch her burn bags of money. She making haters mad, it's so motherfucking funny. money. I need a bad bunny, watch it burn bags of money. She make that haters mad, it's so motherfucking funny. I need a bad bunny, watch her burn bags of money. She make that haters mad, it's so motherfucking funny. Mob life, nigga, this shit real motherfucker. Freestyle shit, it's a bill. No pistol in the block, motherfucker. You already know how I feel. Your bitch ass nigga, you already know. Hillside King in this motherfucker. You already know, nigga. 2025, for real, boy. This shit real. This ain't no motherfucking game when you hear this music shit, nigga. Y'all motherfuckers already know. YouTube, nigga. I'm on YouTube. I'm on all that shit, nigga. Dropping all this music shit on the internet. All that shit. Y'all pussy ass niggas ain't ready. Bitch ass nigga don't play my shit. Let your motherfucking ass go listen, bitch. Y'all niggas out there talking that greedy shit. This shit real out here, motherfucker. Little pistol, nigga. Yeah, killer clown, motherfucker.